This is the JBL Go 4, and it's the smallest and lightest Bluetooth speaker you're going to find that still has solid audio quality. Now, I've tested the Go 4, as well as the entire lineup of portable JBL speakers, to see if the Go 4 is actually any good. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the JBL Go 4, how it performs despite its small size, how it compares to other portable speakers, and everything else you might want to know before you decide to buy it. In the box, you'll find the JBL Go 4, a Type-C cable, a quick start guide, a warranty card, and a safety sheet. Using the Go 4 is really easy. Press the power button to turn it on, and it'll automatically go into pairing mode. If it doesn't go into pairing mode on its own, then just press the Bluetooth pairing button. Now head to your preferred device's Bluetooth settings, find JBL Go 4 in the list of available devices, tap on it, and pair. You'll hear a little sound when the speaker is successfully paired to your device. The Go 4 has Auracast technology. It basically lets you connect multiple speakers that also have Auracast, so you can play your music on all of them at the same time. To do this, make sure all the speakers are turned on, then press the Auracast button on your JBL Go 4. You'll hear a sound when it's activated. After that, just press the Auracast button on the other speakers you want to connect. Now, you'll be able to play music on all of them at the same time. The Go 4 has 6 control buttons. On top, you'll find the volume up and down buttons, along with a play-pause button. You can double-tap the play-pause button to skip to the next song, and triple-tap to go back to the previous one. Then, on the left side of the speaker, we have a power button, Bluetooth pairing button, and the Auracast button. The JBL Go 4 also works with the JBL Portable app, which you can download from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once your speaker is connected to your phone, the app will show you all the settings that you can adjust. You can change the equalizer to find the perfect sound for you. Plus, there's a Playtime Boost feature that adds 2 extra hours to your playtime. If you want stereo sound in your space, you can easily connect 2 Go 4 speakers using the stereo group feature. Just turn on the second speaker, select Stereo Group in the app, and it'll connect the second speaker automatically. The JBL Go 4 has a very cool and modern look. It comes in a bunch of different color options, so you'll definitely find one that fits your style. Its rounded edges and sturdy plastic body feel very solid and durable. The outside of the speaker is covered in a tough fabric, which won't slip out of your hand at all. It also has silicone caps and little feet on the bottom to keep it stable. It's about 3.7 inches long and 3 inches wide, and plus it only weighs just over half a pound, so it's about the size of your average wallet, which is pretty nice. The JBL Go 4 is both dustproof and waterproof. With an IPX67 rating, it can handle a meter of water for up to 30 minutes without taking any damage. Plus, it floats, which is super convenient. It comes with a small strap, which is also made out of tough fabric. Even though it's small, the Go 4 has sound quality that holds its own against the speakers I've tested. It only has a 1 3/4 inch driver, but the sound that comes out of this speaker is just amazing. It has a frequency response of 90 Hz to 20 kHz. This speaker performs well with lo-fi and pop music, delivering clear mids and highs without any distortion, even at higher volumes. The bass performance of the JBL Go 4 is pretty impressive for its size, and I found it better than the other similar speakers in this lineup. It's loud, but it still doesn't take over any other instruments. The speaker's equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, which offers better power efficiency and improved connection stability over old versions. The JBL Go 4 offers up to 7 hours of playtime on a single charge, and like I've said before, you can stretch that up to 2 extra hours just by turning on the Playtime Boost on the JBL Portable app. The speaker also has an LED indicator which blinks in red when the speaker is low on battery. By the way, you can also see exactly how much battery is left through the JBL mobile app. After spending enough time with the JBL Go 4, I can say it's a really good choice when compared to other compact speakers. If you're after something portable with solid sound and decent battery life, then the Go 4 is the speaker you should get for yourself.